10 AI tools. In 2024, artificial intelligence is transforming how small businesses operate, offering tools for improvements from marketing campaigns to optimizing processes across departments. AI involves creating computer systems capable of tasks that usually require human intelligence, such as understanding human language and solving problems. By mimicking cognitive functions, AI allows machines to reason, perceive, and learn from experience through complex algorithms and mathematical models. AI isn't new. Technologies like Siri and Shazam are everyday examples of AI at work, enhancing our interactions with digital devices. Generative AI, capable of creating text, images, and more from prompts, is becoming integral to various professional fields, enhancing productivity and creativity. ChatGPT, a model developed by OpenAI, facilitates natural language responses in conversational settings, aiding in customer service and employee training. dall-e, another OpenAI creation, generates or edits images from textual prompts, valuable in design and content creation. AI tools like Qualifier.ai enhance sales by automating lead generation and follow-up processes, making customer targeting more efficient. Apollo.io, a sales engagement platform, enriches CRM systems with vast contact data and provides insights from sales interactions. In customer service, AI tools like Drift offer conversational AI for handling routine inquiries, freeing up human agents for complex issues. NiceKick's own Smart Assist uses AI to provide adaptable customer support through text or voice, improving interaction quality and resolution times. In HR, AI is automating routine tasks, with tools like Lena AI automating HR processes and improving employee interactions. Fetcher.ai streamlines recruiting by automating candidate search and engagement, aiding in performance analysis and diversity efforts. AI in meetings like Fireflies captures and analyzes conversation details, ensuring important information is retained and accessible. Duet AI for Google Workspace enhances meeting experiences by improving audiovisual quality, providing real-time translations and summarizing discussions. Overall, AI tools offer small businesses powerful ways to enhance efficiency, improve customer and employee interactions, and drive innovation.